Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Bybit with USDT. Alright, so you can go about doing this by having an account on Bybit first. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim and enjoy welcome bonuses of up to 5,030 USDT when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, you're on Bybit. How can you buy crypto using your USDT? You must have USDT to begin with. So if you do not, use the deposit on the home section to simply deposit either USDT via your wallet address, that's by depositing crypto, or going ahead to buy USDT using your local currency, that's whether it's the pound, the euro, or the dollar. You could buy this using any of your local currencies to accomplish this task. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some USDT, how can you buy crypto on Bybit? There are two ways to go about this. You could either buy it via the spot trading feature or the convert feature, which are all available at the trade section at the bottom of your screen, which is just besides markets. So once you click on trade, you can find the spot and you can find convert at the top left corner of your screen. So we have spot and we have convert. To make use of the convert feature, click on convert at the top left. Once you selected convert, you can easily convert from Bitcoin to USDT. But what we're doing here is to use our USDT and convert into a cryptocurrency. So I'm going to be switching their places. Now, with your available USDT, enter an amount you wish to convert into Bitcoin or any coin of your choosing, and then click on quotes and then click on confirm. By doing this, you successfully bought yourself crypto using your USDT. Another option, like I said earlier, is the spot. So click on spot. From the convert, click on spot, and where it says pause USDT and your available amount of USDT is shown at the top, and then it says limit. We're not going to be making use of limit because this requires us to do a lot of planning. So click on limit and select market. When we select market, we can simply buy cryptocurrency using the current price of the market, which is this amount shown here. And now all you need to do is enter an amount of USDT you'd like to purchase your pause tokens for, and then simply click on buy. Once you selected buy, you've successfully bought your cryptocurrency on Bybit using your USDT. So always search for cryptocurrencies that have the token name and USDT by the side. So you can click on pause USDT like I mentioned and simply search for Pi or PIP USDT, and then it's the same process. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.